morning guys. So today papunta kami sa doctor's appointment ni Andre. Sa allergies niya. Gagawin namin dun sa doctor's appointment is meron siyang oral food challenge. Kasi si Andre dun sa allergy niya, ang alam namin meron siyang allergy sa shrimp. Pero nung tinest siya sa blood test, lumabas na wala naman siyang allergy. So ngayon i-challenge nila yun. So pakakainin si Andre ng shrimp today for the very first time. Kasi tingnan kung magre-react siya. So yan, may baon akong shrimp and hopefully walang maging reaction si Andre. And tinatanong niya nga kung ano daw lasa ng shrimp. So let's see kung magugustuhan niya yung shrimp. It's 8:53 in the morning. Tignan nyo, ang Calgary, wala kaming masyadong snow ngayon. It's January 9 na ngayon at walang masyadong snow. This weekend, next week, ano siya, maganda yung temperature plus. Grabe ang araw. Laki ng araw. Dito na kami sa allergist. Kinuha na yung pagkain na shrimp. Just waiting. Nandito na kami sa room. Nakausap na namin yung parang doctor's assistant yan. Tapos sabi, bibigyan si Andre ng shrimp ngayon, small amount lang. Tapos after 30 minutes, bibigyan na naman siya ulit. And after 20 minutes, 15, and then yung huling-huli yung pinakamadami na shrimp. Pero unti-unti lang siya bibigay sa simula. Kapag nagkaroon daw siya ng reaction in the first try, he will stop it right away. So yun. So hopefully maging okay at walang maging reaction. Right, Andre? Tatago. Antayin na lang natin yung doctor dito. Meron din pala akong bagong EpiPen kasi pinapadala. Tapos bawal din kumain 2 hours before. Pwede lang tubig. Challenge. Chew it, okay? Okay. Water. Thank you. Alright. First one. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. So
wait, Andre, how does it taste like?
What?
Tastes like squid. Is it good? Do you think you're gonna like it?
I don't know.
No? So, yan. 30 minutes after, we will see if there's a reaction.
Yeah. The doctor?
Yeah.
The doctor?
If you're itchy or you cannot breathe, you have to let me know, Andre, okay? Make sure, to let us know if there's any reaction, okay? So, Andre just ate second dose of shrimp. Maliit lang naman ng shrimp. Ganyan lang kaliit, Ganyan lang. No, Andre, walang reaction sa first one. And second, another 30 minutes, antay. Ayan. Sige, Nintendo Switch. It's gonna be like a 4-hour appointment. Dito lang kami sa loob. Walang magawa. Ayan si Andre, buti na lang meron siyang dala-dalang laruan. Ayan kami ni Richard dito. Cellphone lang. Sakit na ubo ko. Hindi ako nakatulog kagabi. Andre just had the full shrimp. So after 15 minutes, babalik ulit sila. So far, no reaction. And he's enjoying eating the shrimp. Right, Andre? Nagtatanong na kung pwede daw siyang kumain ng shrimp araw-araw. Andre! Yay! Pang-apat na yun, ano? Pang-apat na. An hour
Yeah.
for that last one. Okay.
Okay, I'll set the timer, okay?
Okay. Show the shrimp. Show the shrimp. Hey. There. Wait. Okay, go eat.
Why?
2 shrimps right now. Then after an hour, it's done. Yay! Sarap? Gustuhan na. Dito kami sa Tim. Dim sum. Tim-tim ba? Sa Chinook Center. Ito yung favorite namin, eggplant na may shrimp. Sarap, yummy. Andre, what are you eating? Nakapasa si Andre sa kanyang oral food challenge, kaya pwede na siya kumain ng shrimp. Yay! Andre, look here. Congratulations. Naman. Eggplant. Sarap, grabe. Okay. Yeah. Baby shower. Hi, Primo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I know. Thanks to Aunt. Kaya
Primo.
thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hi, CJ. Ano ko na rin ito? Di kinakarga-karga lang dati. Ngayon, ang laki na. Naglalakay, CJ.
Dami kumain eh.
Mashay.
Ate, how are you, ate?
Baby shower ni siya at birthday ni Primo.
Basan ko ang ano niya. Kasi ito yung ano.
Ang mga food. Ang ganda.
Primo, give it to si Ay. Oh, give it to si
Ang ganda pa, dito pa yung Christmas tree nila. Oh. I don't know. Michaela 3 months. Si Michaela 3 months pa lang nagkaipin na.
Oh my God.
Oh, 1-year-old buo na.
Oh my God.
As in.
3 months?
3 months. Start.
How many?
Look at your cake, Primo.
Yes.
Nice, oh.
Here. No, no, no. You don't need scissors. For what?
You're 4 years old. Oh, man.
Primo.
Very happy birthday, Primo.
Si Primo 4.
4 years.
Don't put it lagi. Don't put it lagi. Suki na ako dito, ate.
Oh my birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hawakan mo na lang po. Hawakan mo na lang po.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Happy birthday. Sige, Kuya Jacob again. No, come on, princess.
Look what you're doing.
Princess, where's your bib?
Andre, stay here.
Go, Tika. Come on.
Let's do it.
Wala pa siya kalit. Walang win. Kanina ito galing.
Ayun daw to.
Kanina po ito galing.
Ayun ito. Wala. Okay.
Kanina ito galing. Wala siyang name. Wala din yung bilog.
Alam na ni siya.
It's for the vlog. Uy! Sapatos ko yata ito eh.
Sila.
Oh, yan!
Yan nga yun. Oo, pinadeliver ko sa amin. Ah.
And this one. Ito.
Pang burp. Burp pad, something. Yeah. You're welcome. From Keith.
From High River. Towel?
Receiving blanket.
Oh, parang receiving blanket. Ang ganda.
Ganun
Ah,
ako maliit
cute.
kapag ano na, pinalayas.
Ano yan? Ang cute.
The bee.
Ay.
Hindi kasya. Hindi kasya. Hindi kasya. Thank you.
Ang cute.
And the shirts.
Yes, ikaw ba kumuha na ito?
Pinili ko, pero yung luggage.
Ikaw na gano'n?
Ayun,
Ginawa mo yung
Ang
luggage?
cute.
Ginawa mo yung luggage?
Yeah.
Ala ko, ginawa ko yung luggage. Dahan-dahan, Julia.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh no!
Wow, it's a big one. May mga ano. Wow.
Wait, that's not yours.
There's another one here. Open this one.
Okay, ready to pray mo, Julia. Let's check the box.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Look.
Another Lightning McQueen. Oh my God.
What are you going to say? What are you going to say?
Oh, oh,
Tomorrow.